To withdraw USDT from Onus Wallet, follow these steps. First, open the Onus Wallet app on your mobile device and log into your account using your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the verification code sent to your registered phone number or email. Next, navigate to the Wallet section by tapping on the wallet icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you hold, including USDT. Tap on the USDT balance to access the USDT wallet. Now, tap on the Withdraw button, which is usually represented by a minus sign or an arrow pointing outward. You will be prompted to enter the withdrawal amount and the recipient's USDT wallet address. Make sure to enter the correct address, as USDT transactions are irreversible. You can also add a note or a description to the transaction, but this is optional. Before confirming the withdrawal, review the transaction details, including the amount, address, and any applicable fees. Onus Wallet may charge a small fee for USDT withdrawals, which will be deducted from your balance. Once you have reviewed the transaction, tap on the Confirm button to initiate the withdrawal. The USDT will be transferred from your Onus Wallet to the recipient's wallet, and you will receive a confirmation notification once the transaction is complete. It is essential to note that USDT withdrawals on Onus Wallet are usually processed quickly, but the exact processing time may vary depending on the network congestion and the wallet's internal processing times. Always keep your Onus Wallet app and operating system up to date to ensure smooth and secure transactions. Additionally, be aware of the minimum and maximum withdrawal limits set by Onus Wallet, as well as any applicable fees. You can find this information in the Onus Wallet app or on the official Onus website. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently withdraw USDT from your Onus Wallet.